Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Make.com to a Discord server so you can chat back and forth with it. I've found that the Discord is the easiest messaging app to be able to connect to Make.com. So let's go through the process of connecting. So I'm in Make.com now. What we want to do is we want to go into Discord. So I downloaded it already. So if you don't have it downloaded, you have to go to Discord, download the app for your computer or your laptop, and then sign up or log in. And now we've got all the Discords that I belong to. What we want to do, we want to create a new server. So I'm going to click on Add a Server, and we want to create my own. So this is where we're going to create our own server, just us. This is for me and my friends. Let's just call this Test YouTube. Just a test one here. I'm going to create this. And there, we already got the server created. Now what we want to do, we want to create a channel. So you can create multiple channels in here. We got what's channel just called General right now. We want to create a channel, and it's just going to be a text channel. And what do we want to call it? I'm just going to call this Make.com. So it's just for our connections for Make.com, so we can chat with it. So I'm going to create the channel, and that's really it. So we get the channel created already. And now our next step is just to go into Make.com and connect to it. So we've got our server and we've got our channel here. So now we're in a new scenario. Click on Discord, click on Send a Message, and we're going to click My Discord connection. This will just be Test YouTube. I'll click Save, and it's going to ask us to log in. If it went right here to Make.com, if it doesn't, you may just have to put in your login and your password. Now it's going to ask you to add to a server. Test YouTube is what I want to do. I'm going to click Continue. I'll let it have all the permissions. I'm going to click Authorize. Yes, I'm a human. Now close this. And now we're back here and we will be connected. So it's just going to take a moment for the Make.com app to become active in this channel. And then once it does, we'll be able to receive and send messages from it. So let's go into here, Discord, and now we got our connection to Test YouTube. See, I've got a second. This is my other server that I've got. So choose a method. I'm going to send a message to a channel ID. Drop down, and it's there at Make-com. And what's the message? For now, we're going to just put hello. Click Save. It has a little one up here. That just means we got to go back in and click Save because there's no errors. And let's run this, and let's see if it sends the message. There, so it successfully sent it. And there it is. Integromat, that's the app. That's what Make.com used to be called. And it says hello. So we've successfully created the connection very easily. It's a lot easier than some of the other ones like Telegram or Slack and to connect for the first time. And what you're going to want to do, though, you have to set this up on your laptop. But once you want to start getting like notifications on your phone, you have to close out the desktop version. You can't be getting notifications on both the desktop version and on your phone. And then you just make sure all your settings are correct in order for your notifications to come through to your phone. And then you can get all of your messages to come right through to your phone and set this up. And there's many different uses we can use for a Discord server with Make.com. So that's it. Hope to connect well. If you got any questions, let me know. Thanks.